So BK all the way. This is the Aquaponics system. The homies, Jason and Spike, they built the framing system recently. So you see they got the joists on the top, the rafters. They're about to put the greenhouse together. I mean, we okay right now, but we probably maybe do some shading, white on top instead of clear, just so the sun can come through. But just so we can have a little shade, sips on some lemonade. So it'll be almost be like a second gazebo. I mean, we got the other gazebo over here, as you see, hoop court. But I'll get into that later. We're gonna show you the whole system. So what you're looking at, right across the street from the projects, you know what I mean? Marcy Projects, the Sumner side of Marcy Projects, which is Lewis Housing, Sumner Housing rather. So you got, the two grow beds here, this one and this grow bed with various sprouts and stuff in here. So this system is totally scalable. This is called a chop system. So this is a constant height, one pump, CHOP, chop system. So this is our bed fish, you know what I'm saying? Got the fish popping. So the idea here is to kind of duplicate nature itself. You might not see all of the intricacies, but I'll be real quick because my battery is about to die. Underneath here, you know what I mean? You got a reservoir. This is representing the underground rivers in the natural cycle. This black pipe, right, is where all the water gets pumped up into here. This is what we call a cloud. The cloud basically holds almost 1,000 liters of water. And then that goes into these pipes here and feeds the fish directly in regards to oxygen. You see the water bubbling? That's the oxygen levels. And then you also see, got some sprouts growing for this year. Just testing some stuff out. Right over here, you see we have an intake filter. So like all of the food sediment and stuff, we block out as much as possible. You see the plants and stuff not being able to get in. So what happens is it passes through that little white pole, and then it comes out on this side into this blue tank, which is the swirl filter. This is just another outlet. But basically, the way we have this working is, if you see, the drain is at the top. Drain is at the top. So basically, it drains at the top, and then it comes over into this bed. That's the clean water. The bottom dirty water has a spout right there, so we can just turn that on and make lots of fish tea. There's our IBCs for our anaerobic digester. That's another project. But we also have a spin-off towers that we can grow on the outside of the bed too. So it's a pretty extensive system that can be added on, grown, and filled out. And we also got like this back space. We're thinking about putting another bed on this side, so we can have, more space. But, that's the Bushwick City Farms aquaponics system. Totally scalable, totally efficient and cheap. Only uses 10% of the water. And I guarantee you in about 2 weeks, all of these sprouts that you see here, that's a basil plant right there. We just kind of keeping it in some type of container because of the frost on the lower evenings. We keeping that warmer, kind of a greenhouse, so that we can keep the frost from killing the sprouts in the early spring. All right, that's it, y'all. Bless up. We're gonna keep on working, keep on doing the people's work.